In this video, I'm going to show the demo of this application, level and center of gravity dimension. This application will add bottom level mark, top level mark and center of gravity dimension in the precast panel drawing. Before I run this tool, let me show you the drawings first. For clarity, dimensions are deleted. This panel drawing is with opening. This panel is with cut. Let me run this tool. There are two options. The first option, you can select the multiple drawings in the document manager and run these tools. It will automatically update the dimensions in the selected drawings. The next one, you can use this if the drawing is open. Let me just select all the 4 drawings and run this tool. Center of gravity dimensions, bottom level mark and top level mark. Next, to cross-check this automated dimension, let me run this Add Cog Dimension tool. You can see the dimensions are matching, that means it's perfect. This tool is not in the drawing window, so you have to open this one before you open the drawing. Anyway, let me show this open drawing dimension command. This is just an additional option for the user. Run this tool. Here you can see. If you prefer to add these dimensions in the precast panel drawing, obviously this is one of the best tools that you can use it. As you have seen, you can select the drawings in the document manager and update all your drawings. So don't miss out the benefit of using this tool and save time. Feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you for watching this video.